Welcome to another Product of the Month video, and the product for this month is the Mychanic detailing rig. Like I said, the product for this month is the Mychanic detailing rig, and you can see that I've got all my different stuff on here. This is just all kinds of different stuff that we use when we clean the Jeeps. I just wanted to show that has these little slots here that you can hang all of your stuff. And you've got an area down here that you can store some stuff. Then you have your bucket section, and I actually still got stuff in here from cleaning the Jeep the other day. Down inside the bucket you get a like a little grate, or a strainer, I guess you would call it. It goes down in here and leaves all the dirt and little pieces of rock or grime and stuff down in the bottom of the bucket, so you don't actually get that back in your rag if you were using, you know, a towel to clean your vehicle with. That way you didn't get all that on there, and if you're cleaning your vehicle, you'd scratch up the paint job. You have a cup holder over here, or you could use it for other stuff if some of your products, these bottles are a little too big. This thing is really, really sturdy. I've been sitting on it and rolling around in the driveway and stuff, and we have a sloped driveway, so you know, even on sloped surfaces and stuff, it's still really, really stable. I think that's because it has the 5 wheels. It has 3 on one side and 2 on the other. Another feature that I really like is the removable seat pad, so you can remove that off of there, and I think it's a closed cell foam, so it doesn't actually absorb any water or anything like that, but it is removable, and it just pops on there. I did a video on this quite a while ago, and it was basically just an assembly video, so I've had, you know, plenty of time to mess around with it. The wife has used it quite a bit when we were washing the Jeeps and stuff, and I really, really like this thing. It makes it so much easier than just sitting out there on a bucket or a stool. Before, I was actually using the Mychanic Sidekick mechanic stool when I would wash the Jeep, you know, sitting out there and washing it by hand. But this sets up a little bit higher, and you know, you have your bucket and everything with you, and like I showed you, you can hang all of your stuff on here. So this thing is really, really convenient. Anybody that's a subscriber or has watched a few videos on this channel knows that Mychanic is a supporter of Rocky X TV, but in no way is that reflecting this being my product of the month. This just is a really, really good product, and Mychanic does make a lot of really, really good products. But again, I just want to make sure that everybody knows that, you know, just because they are a supporter of the channel, that doesn't mean that I'm, you know, just basically using that to push their product or anything. I would really stand behind this product because it's something that, you know, it might seem simple, just like a little stool with a bucket, but once you try this out, if you normally are sitting down on a stool or something like that to detail or wash your vehicle, this thing makes a world of difference. So I'll leave some information, and you can go check it out and do some reading and you know, kind of form an opinion of your own. I just wanted to kind of throw this out there so everybody actually knew that this product was out there. If you're new to the channel, make sure to go into my channel, check out a couple videos. I've got all kinds of different stuff in there, and you know, I've got these monthly series, Product of the Month. I have another monthly series called Monthly Tip or Trick. These Product of the Month videos come out every second Sunday of the month, and the Monthly Tip or Trick comes out every third Friday of the month. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to go into my channel, check out a couple other videos. I've got, you know, the monthly series videos, and then I've got all kinds of other different stuff in there. So make sure to check that out, and if you find a video that you like, hit the like button. If you have something to say, leave it down in the comments, and if you find a couple videos that you like, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.